What's good, people? Well, just came back from another day of riding the trails, and it occurred to me I have another bike that's been sitting up for over a year now in the corner of the garage, collecting dust. Now, when I first bought it, I really did like the bike. It was my first. I mm, There it is. It's a full suspension bike. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, so instead of spending a big lump sum of money on some expensive bike, I went to straight to Walmart and got this. Now, like I said, it's been sitting up in the garage for quite some time now, just collecting dust. But not everybody can appreciate a hardtail bike. So, as part of my spring cleaning project, I have two. One's almost complete, pretty much complete, except for a few minor tweaks here and there. The other one I still have to get parts for, but I think I'm gonna add this one. No, I know I'm gonna add this one to my list. So let's find out what needs to be done. Okay. Grips. Grips are from another bike. You can tell by the branding. Okay. I really do not like twist shifters. I have so many problems with twist shifters. But that's okay. Now this is a very old school bike. You can tell by the neck on the stem. Very old school. But I like a challenge. So since the last time I updated the front brakes, they seem to still be good. I don't know about those tires though. To clean them up and see if they're any good. If not, I'll replace them probably with a Schwalbe or either Continental. Oh yeah, that needs cleaning. Definitely. Let's see. That needs some tweaking. There's a little rock in there. Brake cables. That's gonna have to be clipped and readjusted if possible. And this was one of the reasons why I set this bike down. I caught a flat. This was before I had a car. I rode my bike to work. Caught a flat, put it behind the job, next to the dumpster, chained it up. Somebody stole my back wheel. They literally stole my back wheel. Man. So, again, I went got one of my older bikes, took the wheel off of that and put it on this one. However, this is a 5-gear setup, but the bike is a 6-gear. So, I'm thinking, now that I have more experience with working on bikes and I have more tools, I'm going to change that cog, that, I'm so tired. This right here, I'm changing that out for a 6 instead of a 5. Shimano, this is one of the oldest derailleurs they have. So I'm going to try to update this one if I can find one online. All in all, it doesn't seem to be in too bad a shape. We need some cleaning up, adjustments. So, I just found my next project. I'll keep you updated as usual. I'll talk to you later.